Under the glamour of night, when the day loosens its grip on the sky and the sun folds its fire into rest, the night arrives not as darkness but as promise whispered in black velvet. Above me, the stars awaken, not suddenly but patiently, as if they have always been waiting for my eyes to finally look up. They are the quiet storytellers of the universe, writing ancient and light, sent from distances too vast for counting, from times before my name ever existed. Each star is a memory burning, a heartbeat older than every fear I carry, a reminder that even the smallest glow can survive unimaginable darkness. I stand beneath them, humbled, my worries shrinking into dust. The stars do not rush, do not shout, yet they command the skies with grace. They teach me that permanence is not loud, that beauty does not beg for attention. It simply exists, faithful to its purpose. I imagine travelers once guided by them, sailors trusting fragile light over restless seas, dreamers mapping hope into constellations, naming the heavens so they would feel less alone. The stars became companions then, and somehow they remain companions now, still watching, still steady, still offering directions without demand. Some stars cluster together like whispered secrets, others dance apart, solitary and brave. They remind me of that belonging has many forms. To shine beside others, or to shine alone and still matter. In their silent unity, I see myself, a small life. Yes, but never insignificant. The night air cools my skin, and the sky stretches endlessly above me. I realize that the stars are not distant after all. They live in my longing, in my questions, in my moments of awe. They teach me patience, for even light takes time to arrive. And so I thank them for their constancy, for their gentle refusal to fade, for reminding me that the universe is vast and yet kind enough to be beautiful. Under their watchful glow, I learn to breathe deeper, dream wider, and believe that no darkness is ever final, as long as something, somewhere, is still willing to shine.